My favorite Caylent value is rise together. You can't, at least especially in my position, you can't do anything totally on your own. You don't work in a silo or a vacuum. You really need to coordinate, get everybody together, and make sure we are all facing in the same direction and moving forward lock in step to accomplish the goal.
My favorite Caylent value is rise together. I love that each and every one of our team members just get together to be able to meet our deadlines and deliver each and every one of our goals. And just bring in each and every one of their unique set of values and unique expertise.
My favorite Caylent value is definitely rise together. We are 100% a community here. Every single person, it doesn't matter what part of the organization you're in, whether it's sales and my direct bosses, or maybe it's delivery or even marketing. I know that we all have the same core value, and that is truly rising together. We all want to see each other succeed, and it really makes working at Caylent an amazing place.
Favorite Caylent value is rise together, and the reason why is because I worked for a company for a little over a decade where we were very siloed, and we spent all of our effort and all of our energy working against each other, and that never translated into value for our customers. And at Caylent, we spend all of our time and all of our effort trying to figure out how to rise together, which is providing tremendous value for our customers and minimizing the amount of waste that happens internally.
I definitely agree with rise together. I always love that our team always act as one team. We find ways to help each other. There can be lots of meetings or proposal or conversation we need to have with customer, but we'll manage to help each other out whenever our bandwidth is running low.